thick raindrops falling on the window. In the silence of the night, your memories begin to wake again. Boom, clap. The road we used to walk together, now I walk alone tonight. Your voice still lingers softly, somewhere drifting in the air. I still hear your gentle laughter, fading like a distant dream. Even though I know it's over, you still live inside of me. No matter how much time may change, some feelings never fade away. Quietly hurting in the dark, I still think of you. Memories beneath the rain keep falling through my heart again. In this night without your light, silence only hurts more. Walking down those empty streets, still searching for your shadow near me. Even if you're never here, you still remain inside my heart. Every photograph I'm holding feels like time rewinding slow. Your smile still shines like sunlight through the coldness of my soul. Some words were left unspoken, some feelings stay disguised, and in the end, the quiet silence became our last goodbye. Every time I try forgetting, I remember even more. Inside this world without you, I feel lost and torn. Memories beneath the rain keep falling through my heart again. In this night without your light, silence only hurts more. Deep inside, walking down those empty streets, still searching for your shadow near me. Even if you're never here, you still remain inside my heart. Maybe someday this pain will slowly disappear, or maybe like the falling rain, it will stay forever here. Memories beneath the rain, still chasing me through every day. No matter how far time may go, I still can't let you go. Hear the song, think of me just once again, because inside this broken heart, you'll always still remain. Tick, tick, oh, tick, tick, oh, tick, tick. The sound of rain slowly fades away, but the memories never really disappear.